this is Harvey J from Ask Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a virtual number for your WhatsApp Messenger, WhatsApp Business, whatever you want. There's so many software available in the market, but not all of them gonna work in this case. For example, these are, VNum virtual number. This doesn't work. I paid and I don't get any number from them. So you have to avoid this one. Which one is working and work for me? I will show you now. Go to App Store. This one, you have to type vSIM. Here we go. And search. You see vSIM phone number for WhatsApp. This one works for me. Hit this one. Hit for open. You will see something as this. Hit this button. Check the country you want. You have Cameroon, Pakistan, Ghana, Indonesia, Egypt, United States. For example, I hit this one. You see, hit continue. So they show you half number, only the code of United States. I hit continue here. Your credit card should connected with your phone. My credit card is connected with Apple Payments. If you're not, you have to put manually credit card, but better to pay with Apple Payment, because if you have problem you can ask for a refund. So in this case, I only have to double click the power button of my phone. The payment will be done. So I already have some virtual number. Let me show you. So what you have to do here, you see the number arrived +1 or something, the country code and all that. You have to copy the virtual number. I hit WhatsApp. Here you have to paste or type your virtual number. After typing, they will send you a code. For example, here you see some verification code is written. This verification code when arrives, you have to put in your WhatsApp the verification code. After, you can use that one. This is my 2 WhatsApp, one of them here. So this is one of my virtual number I'm using here. So this is very easy. This is from United Kingdom or any country you want. This is very easy tutorial, guys. If you have any problem, you can write me at comment section. I will try to help you as soon as fast as possible. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.